Imagine living in a city that is slowly losing its residents. A recent study predicts that thousands of U.S. cities will face this reality. By 2100, around 15,000 cities may shrink by 12 to 23%. All states except Washington, D.C. and Hawaii will experience this decline. The Northeast and Midwest will be hit hardest. Cities like Pittsburgh, Buffalo, and Cleveland will see significant population drops. In California, the South Coast may lose residents while the Northern Coast gains. Texas and Utah are booming now, but they'll see urban departures too. Even major cities in Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee will face declines. The most affected states are Vermont and West Virginia, where up to 80% of cities may decline. This population decrease presents challenges. It could disrupt essential services like transit and electricity. Several factors contribute to these trends. Fewer children are being born, industries are disappearing, property prices are rising, and climate change is posing risks. The study analyzed census data from 24,000 cities to project future trends. It examined various climate scenarios and focused on a balanced outlook. Interestingly, in the Northeast, cities with less car ownership might grow. Conversely, southern and western cities are seeing growth linked to car reliance. International immigration may counter some population declines. Cities near New York and Chicago benefit from increasing Hispanic and Asian populations seeking job opportunities. Experts suggest cities prepare for these future changes. They should focus on unexpected challenges arising from depopulation. For instance, there may be a need for affordable transportation options for aging residents in declining areas. Transport solutions will be essential to help vulnerable residents access remaining stores. In summary, the landscape of U.S. cities is changing. Understanding these trends is vital for future urban planning. Stay informed and consider how these shifts might impact your community.